Hi everyone, you won't believe what I made today. Something rich, traditional, and straight from Cameroon, and that is Kwacoco. Guys, if you know me so well, you know that I love food, not just any kind of food, but good food. So today I made a delicious, yummy Kwacoco. That knocked me off after eating. After eating this yummy dish, I went straight to bed for hours of sleep because it's long time that I've been craving for this, and I finally got it. So guys, what I did here is I started with the cocoyams. All right, you can a lot. Yeah, you can use red cocoyams or white cocoyams. So what I did is I peeled it very well, washed it, then I grated it. You can blend it if you don't want to go through this stressful process of grating. Then I look for my plantain leaf or banana leaf. Cut them into the sizes that I want. To wash them very well, and then first of all I warmed it on the gas. Then I wash it very well. And then in my mixture of my already grated cocoyam, I pour in a lot of red oil, dry fish, and then enough crayfish, and then a little bit of salt and Maggi. Please don't go and mix your green spices, ginger, garlic. That is not what is called kwacoco. I don't know what you're mixing there. So you put a little bit of cocoa leaf in it, and then you're good to go with the wrapping. You wrap it well, and then you put it in your pot. Put enough, warm water, preferable, yeah, enough water, preferable warm water, and then you cook it under high heat for at least 1 hour or 2 hours, depending on how your fire is. And then you are good to go. After that, your Kwacoco Bible is ready to consume. Some will make plain Kwacoco to consume with, okra soup, banga soup, or any other soup. But this one right here doesn't need anything to accompany it with. All right, it is already set to eat. And trust me, if you haven't eaten Kwacoco before, I don't know what you're waiting for. For Kwacoco lovers, I hope I did great on this recipe.